So today to study the examples on effect of temperature on the rate of reaction, that is based on the Arrhenius equation. So take some examples. The rate of a particular reaction, quadruplus. Repeat once again. The rate of particular reaction, quadruplus, when the temperature changes from 293 Kelvin to 313 Kelvin. 293 Kelvin to 313 Kelvin. Calculate the energy of activation for the reaction. Given that the value of R is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. See how to solve. We have by Arrhenius equation, log of K2 divided by K1 is equal to A divided by 2.303 R into bracket T2 minus T1 divided by T1 into T2. This is the Arrhenius equation at a different temperature. Here they are given K1 is equal to X, K2 is equal to 4X, quadruplus means 4 times. Yawaga T1 is equal to 293 Kelvin and T2 is equal to 313 Kelvin, means it increases by around exactly 20 degrees Celsius. And the value of R is known, 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Here we have to substitute that log of 4x divided by x is equal to A divided by 2.303 8.314 into bracket 313 minus 293 divided by 293 into 330. So x cancel. Log of 4 is 0.6021. So is equal to A divided by, this is 19.14, and simplify, this is 293 into 330. See that, keep the A as it is. Bring the rest of the term into one side. 0.6021 into 19.14 into 293 into 313 divided by 20. So if you simplify, you will get the value is 52,855 joule per mole, or in terms of kilojoule it is 52.855 kilojoule per mole. Okay. Then take another example. The rate constant for a first order reaction. The rate constant for a first order reaction at 300 Kelvin and 320 Kelvin are power minus 5 and 5.0 into 10 to the power minus 4 respectively. What is the energy of activation for the reaction? Here the value of R is same, that is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per hour. Apply the same equation. Here K1 is 3.50 into 10 to the power minus 5 and K2 is 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 and T1 is given, that is 300 Kelvin and T2 is 320 Kelvin. R is same. So substitute the values in above equation. We get that log of 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 and this is 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 5. EA into 2.303 into 8.314. Here you can simplify that 320 minus 300 divided by 300 into 320. So cancel 10 to the power minus 4 in numerator and denominator. Here 10 to the power minus 1 remains, goes to the numerator and simplify. It becomes 50 divided by 3.5 and EA this is 20 and this is 19.14 and 300. So keep A as it is and see the log of 50 divided by 3.5, simplify and get the answer EA. EA is so 106.140 joule per mole. And in terms of kilojoule, it is 106.14 kilojoule per mole. That is the activation energy. Then take another example. The rate of reaction triples. The rate of reaction triples when temperature changes from 20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Their temperature given in degree Celsius. Calculate EA for the such reaction. Here the value of R is same, that is 8.314 joules per Kelvin per mole. Now here the same equation is applied. Here K1 is x, K2 is 3x and T1 is 20 degrees Celsius. 20 plus 273, that is 293 and T2 is 50 plus 273, it is so that is 3 and 323 and then R is 8.314 joules per Kelvin. Substitute log of 3x divided by x is equal to EA divided by 2.303 into 8.314. Here 323 minus 293 divided by 293 into 323. 2.4771 log of 3. Then A divided by 2 point, that is when you simplify you will get 19.14, and this is, so that is 30 293 into 323. So keep A as it is, bring the rest of the to one side. So simplify, get the value. A is equal to, so 2882.4 joule per. In terms of kilojoule, it is 28.24 kilojoule per mole. Right? Then so take an example for homework, that the rate of reaction, particular reaction doubles. That is, K1 is equal to x, K2 is equal to 2x. That is the meaning. The rate of particular reaction doubles and temperature changes from 27 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius. That is 10 degree rise in temperature automatically according to the coefficient of reaction, temperature coefficient of reaction doubles. Calculate A for the reaction. So when you calculate, so the answer is, take the answer, so 53604 joule per mole. So 53640 joule per mole. Okay. Then take another example for homework. For a first order reaction, the rate constant are 320 into 10 to the power minus 4 per second at 600 Kelvin, and 1.60 into 10 to the power minus 2 per second at 1200 Kelvin. Calculate the energy of activation. Here the K1 is 320 into 10 to the power minus 4. That K2 is 1.60 into 10 to the power minus 2. T1 is 600, T2 is 1200. Simplify and get the answer is A is 39040. 39040 joule per Kelvin, joule per mole. Okay. Then so another example for homework under the first order reaction. A first order, so this is asked in various annual exams. A first order reaction takes 5 seconds for 20% completion. Calculate the time required for 60% completion of the reaction. Asked in March 2010. So here now how to solve? I already solved such type of examples. Apply K is equal to 2.303 divided by T into log of R divided by R0 divided by R. Here R0 is 100, R is 80 because RT is 20 and R is 80. So first you can calculate the K. Knowing the K, then you can calculate the time taken for completion of 60% of the reaction. And one more example for homework. What is EA for the reaction? That increases 10-fold. 10-fold is 10 times rate when temperature is increased to 300 Kelvin to 310 Kelvin. Here T1 is 300, T2 is 310 and K1 is x, K2 is 10x. So substitute in Arrhenius equation, get the answer. Answer is 177980. 177980 joule per Kelvin per. So these are the some examples on Arrhenius equation we have to discuss tomorrow.